Hello, Lei Ho, and welcome to Super.Speak.Juniors. In this topic, we will be learning about people. You will notice as we are going through the topic that some words are spoken in one way but written in another. For an explanation of why we do this, please see my other video titled Why Spoken Cantonese is Different to Written Chinese. The link is posted in the description below. Now let's begin. Possessive particle.
的
Possessive particle
的
is in spoken Cantonese.
係
Is in written Chinese.
是
Who in spoken Cantonese.
邊個
Who in written Chinese.
誰
Who is he in spoken Cantonese.
佢係邊個
Who is he in written Chinese.
他是誰
He is my father in spoken Cantonese.
佢係我爸爸
He is my father in written Chinese.
他是我的爸爸
She is my mother in spoken Cantonese.
佢係我媽媽
She is my mother in written Chinese.
她是我的媽媽
She is my older sister in spoken Cantonese.
佢係我姐姐
She is my older sister in written Chinese.
她是我的姐姐
He is my friend in spoken Cantonese.
佢係我朋友
He is my friend in written Chinese.
他是我的朋友
Have.
有
I have a younger brother.
我有一個弟弟
I have a younger brother. Mother is a doctor in spoken Cantonese.
媽媽係個醫生
Mother is a doctor in written Chinese.
媽媽是個醫生
Father is a firefighter in spoken Cantonese.
爸爸係個消防員。爸爸係個消防員。
Father is a firefighter in written Chinese.
爸爸是個消防員。爸爸是個消防員。
Job.
工作。
Job.
工作。
They are my friends in spoken Cantonese.
佢哋係我嘅朋友。佢哋係我嘅朋友。
They are my friends in written Chinese.
他們是我的朋友。他們是我的朋友。
Thank you for watching this video. For more learning resources, why not check out our website www.Super.Speak.Juniors.com. Bye!